Okay, Mazda CX-9 with an i-ELOOP malfunction, stop light flashing. We're going to scan this, see what's going on. Okay, we have the fault code B13d3, PATS or passive anti-theft system transmitter. Okay, what I actually found with this after scanning it, and when I turned the ignition off, it actually came up with a message on the dash telling me that the key battery is low. So see there, key battery is low. So we're going to start there, put a new battery in the key and see what happens. Okay, so we have replaced that key battery now. And we've still got the light on the dash, so we're just going to try this procedure here. We'll follow through this. It's just a shot of it in case you want to screenshot it. We're just going to go through and see if this will reset our light. Okay, so all we've done is disconnected the battery for 5 minutes and then reconnected it, and now we have no warning lights. So if you're getting an i-ELOOP warning light and an i-stop light, and you're getting the message saying low key battery, then replace the battery in your key, disconnect the battery, main car battery for 5 minutes, and then reconnect it, and you should be good. Okay, so that's a pretty simple fix for this issue. If you're not getting the low key battery warning light as well, which you only get when you turn it off, you might need to get it scanned, and main thing will be to test the main battery condition. If the main battery is getting low voltages, you'll have a very similar issue. Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.